Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel Langlet Guides Multiple Choice Question Series. We are here today to discuss some important MCQs on the topic The Lottery Ticket by Anton Chekhov. But before starting, we are on the road to 3K. So consider sharing these videos with your friends and smacking that subscribe button if you feel the content useful. So without further ado, let's go on to the MCQs. Question number 1. Who is the author of the story The Lottery Ticket? Options are A. William Shakespeare, B. Anton Chekhov, C. William Blake, or D. John Masefield. Correct option is B. Anton Chekhov. Question number 2. What is the lifespan of Anton Chekhov? Options are A. 1860 to 1905, B. 1861 to 1915, C. 1860 to 1904, or D. 1861 to 1905. Correct option is C. 1860 to 1904. Question number 3. Which profession brought Anton Chekhov into contact with all Russian society? Options are A. Painter, B. Writer, C. Doctor, or D. Lawyer. Correct option is C. Doctor. Question number 4. The Lottery Ticket is the story of dash dash couple. Options are A. High class, B. Lower class, C. Middle class, or D. Aristocratic class. Correct option is C. Middle class. Question number 5. How the protagonist's surname is correctly spelled in Lottery Ticket? Options are A. Dimitri, B. Dimitrich, C. Dmitrich, or D. Dimitrim. Correct option is C. Dmitrich. Question number 6. What is the annual income of Dmitrich family? Options are A. 1000, B. 1100, C. 1200, or D. 1250. Correct option is C. 1200. Question number 7. What is the name of Ivan Dmitrich's wife? Options are A. Lara, B. Masha, C. Selina, or D. Eva. Correct option is B. Masha. Question number 8. When did Masha buy a lottery ticket? Options are A. On Tuesday, B. On Wednesday, C. On Thursday, or D. On Friday. Correct option is A. On Tuesday. Question number 9. What was the ticket's series and number owned by Masha? Options are A. 9.499 and 46, B. 8.599 and 36, C. 9.499 and 26, or D. 9.299 and 56. Correct option is C. 9.499 and 26. Question number 10. What was the price of the lottery ticket? Options are A. 70,000, B. 75,000, C. 80,000, or D. 85,000. Correct option is B. 75,000. Question number 11. How much money Dmitrich Ivan thought of spending on real estate? Options are A. 25,000, B. 40,000, C. 50,000, or D. 55,000. Correct option is A. 25,000. Question number 12. Which statement best describes the couple's financial position at the start of the story? Options are A. They are struggling to survive, B. They are starving, C. They are rich, or D. They are satisfied with their income. Correct option is D. They are satisfied with their income. Question number 13. What does Ivan think of his relatives? Options are A. They are annoying, B. They are wretched, detestable people, C. They are friendly and caring, or D. They are boring. Correct option is B. They are wretched, detestable people. Question number 14. How many children Ivan and Masha have? Options are A. 2, B. 3, C. 4, or D. 5. Correct option is A. 2. Question number 15. How much money Ivan thought of spending on his expenses, traveling, furniture, and pay his debts? Options are A. 20,000, B. 30,000, C. 50,000 or D. 10,000. Correct option is D. 10,000. Question number 16. How much amount Ivan thought to put in the bank and get interest on it? Options are A. 30,000, B. 40,000, C. 50,000 or D. 55,000. Correct option is B. 40,000. Question number 17. Why are people gathering in the town square? Options are A. It's annual lottery day, B. It's Christmas, C. It's voting day or D. It's national holiday. Correct option is A. It's annual lottery day. Question number 18. According to Ivan Dimitrich, playing lottery is dash dash. Options are A. Against his religion, B. Waste of time and money, C. Source to earn money or D. Easy way to become rich. Correct option is B. Waste of time and money. Question number 19. What is the theme of the story? Options are A. We need money to be happy, B. Money doesn't buy happiness, C. Money makes us greedy or D. No money, no respect. Correct option is B. Money doesn't buy happiness. Question number 20. What was the number on the 4th page of the newspaper? Options are A. 26, B. 16, C. 56 or D. 46. Correct option is D. 46. Question number 21. What does Ivan believe his wife would do with the lottery money? Options are A. Buy an estate in Tula or Oriol province, B. Go abroad, C. Give him 100 rubles and put the rest away under lock and key or D. Buy new furnishing. Correct option is C. Give him 100 rubles and put the rest away under lock and key. Question number 22. What does Ivan imagine he would eat after bathing? Options are A. Coffee and pastries, B. Milk and cookies, C. Tea with cream and milk rolls or D. Summer soup. Correct option is C. Tea with cream and milk rolls. Question number 23. Ivan, crowding on his imagination, watches dash dash catching fish with net. Options are A. Sailors, B. Peasants, C. Farmers or D. Children. Correct option is B. Peasants. Question number 24. In his imaginary world, Ivan, after eating summer soup, cold as ice, lay on his back on the dash dash close to a stream. Options are A. Soil, B. Pillow, C. Burning sand or D. Open land. Correct option is C. Burning sand. Question number 25. Wind is a dash dash. Options are A. Water game, B. Freestyle game, C. Popular game or D. Russian card game. Correct option is D. Russian card game. Question number 26. Ivan Dimitrich pictured to himself autumn with its rains, its dash dash and St. Martin's summer. Options are A. Pleasant evenings, B. Warm evening, C. Cold evening or D. Snow evening. Correct option is C. Cold evening. Question number 27. Ivan pictured to take longer walks about the garden and beside the river and drink a big dash dash. Options are A. Glass of vodka, B. Glass of milk, C. Glass of whiskey or D. Glass of beer. Correct option is A. Glass of vodka. Question number 28. What did Ivan Dimitrich imagine his wife in the train? Options are A. Enjoying the journey, B. Gossiping with the travelers, C. With multiple parcel and bags or D. Playing cards. Correct option is C. With multiple parcels and bags. Question number 29. Dash dash is a small coin worth very little. Options are A. Penny, B. Dollar, C. Paisa or D. Farthing. Correct option is D. Farthing. Question number 30. In fancy, if the couple goes abroad, Ivan should be dash dash Masha. Options are A. Independent from, B. Dependent upon, C. angry on, or D. guide of? Correct option is B. dependent upon. Question number 31. Ivan Dimitrich believes in lottery. Options are A. true, B. false, C. don't know, or D. sometimes. Correct option is B. false. So that's it for this video. Thank you very much for watching.